Most of y'all might know me, but those of y'all that don't, man, let me tell you about me. So, my name is Chris Mansden, man. I'm a foreign exchange trader. Like, I trade in the Forex market, and I love doing it, and I do it almost every day. So, I've been trading for almost 4 years, and I love what I'm doing, and I feel like there's knowledge that I can spread on my YouTube channel, so that's what I'm going to do. Because I've bought mad courses, mad books, like, just to teach myself. Like, started out at IML, like, I started out at IML just trying to figure out how to do the trading. I knew how to trade before, but I wasn't very, like, established. Like, I was just learning. And then when I knew they had teams with it, then I was like, oh, man, well, people going to help you trade. So, of course, why not? So, we did that, went through that route. So, now I'm on some, like, developing my own learning, developing my own trading strategy, like my own, so I don't have to depend on nobody to send me signals or none of that. Like, it's really a skill to be learned, and that's why I feel like this is one of the best skills to learn. Like, it's hard, but it's worth it for sure. You gotta choose your heart. So, the first video I dropped in a long ass time. I ain't dropped a video since probably like 2018. But we coming back at y'all with some trading videos because it's my new path. It's what I'm learning. Hopefully, I can help make some other people's journey easier, faster, sooner, quicker. But that's what I'm here to do. So if y'all want to rock with me and learn how to trade in this foreign exchange market with me, then go ahead and keep tuning into these videos because we're going to have more bangers coming out each and every week explaining how to make money in this foreign exchange market. But today, you guys are going to learn about Fibonacci Retracement. So we're going to learn about how to trade Fibonacci and how to make money off his simple strategy, right? So let's get straight into the video, guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to show y'all where to find the Fibonacci once you go to trading view and you open your chart. So right now I'm on the hour chart and the Fibonacci is going to be right over here, right? So under this first one, trend lines, you're going to find Fibonacci. So go ahead and put a star by it. That's your favorite. So pull out Fib. So then we're just going to start off with what is the Fib. So Fib, this is the uptrend Fibonacci. So what these numbers mean, it'd be the same thing, just reversal for the downtrend. So uptrend Fibonacci, right? So we started at the bottom. This is our start point. We started at where we see the first start of the buy is, right? So this was the first start of the buy, right? So this led to this continuation, right? Because the market moves in 3 moves: impulse, correction, and then impulse again. So right here we see the market bounced up top, so hit this supply zone up here where the market, but it took out that high though also. So which we knew it was going to do because the market had a place of displacement. So now we're waiting to see where do we get in on this impulse after this correction, because we're only getting in after the impulse, after the correction, right? So we got to see, when do we get in for the correction? When do we get in after the correction when it came down? So the points that we want to get in, right? So we trying to get in anywhere right here, right? But honestly, like right here, anywhere between here, because that's the premium buy. That's the premium buy. That's 50% of the pullback has already happened. So usually after that happens, that tells you it's time for the continuation phase. So that would have been a great move. Let's see, we would have bought anywhere right here. Had a stop loss to down here. We could have had it to right here, honestly. And that's already a 2. That's already a 1 to 2. Then that's already a 1 to 2. But as we already see, because the market already happened, it's already happened. It went well beyond. It went well beyond. This is a 1 to 4. That's a 1 to 9. Like, it went well beyond, and that's just off the Fibonacci. That's just off of. Oh, I see the market's going up. You feel me? I I see that this ain't even technical knowledge, market structure. Like this is just Fibonacci. Like, oh, it just impulsed out of here. So now I gotta see, because that's the institutional all day. That's the institutional. So now I gotta see, when can I get in? Feel me? When can I get in? Right. So me just looking at it, of course, boom, like, woo, pull out the year, set him up, put him to that high, boom, do him like that, 50% if you want it. Yeah, I want to get in somewhere. All right, you feel me? Anywhere right there is Gucci. Anywhere right there is Gucci. And put the boom, 1 to 1, 1 to 2. We'll just take it to the high. 1 to 3 for sure. Feel me? Off rips. That's just off the yeah. That's off the field. Like, that ain't nothing else. That's just off the field. Like, if you paying attention to the market, it's happening. What is this? It's happening at 9 o'clock, so it hit top at 9, right? It made a high at 9, right? Right before the market opened. 10 o'clock, reversal. Came back. Made that correction just to go in content. Bro, that's easy money. That's good money. And this all happened this time. You could have really sold right here too, just to catch that easy. But I'm just saying, playing the smart ball is this buy right here. This buy right here. That pull back perfect. 50%, 61%. Come here. Could have hold, could have did whatever. You could have took profits. You know what I'm saying? That's easy. That's an easy 1 to 3. Feel me? No drawdown. All right, so let's see a downtrend real quick. Let me show you a downtrend. Boom. Boom to the highest. All right, so we starting that downtrend. We just started right here, right? And then we drag the other side to the end. Right? The continuation on itself, that's a, you know what I'm saying? That's a nice amount, like, and it broke structure. So we looking for, where's the reaction? Where's the, you know what I'm saying? Where's the correction? So this is the correction. Boom, straight to our, that's our money right there. That's our money. Using the Fibonacci, that's money right there. You know what I'm saying? So you could have easily 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Put in something. But we want to look for the bigger one. Big one. You know what I'm saying? Which it really wasn't. It really wasn't it really wasn't that much of a continuation on this one. It really wasn't. But this just goes to show how it's not 100%, but when it works, it works. Even here, like, it ain't 100% to just melt down. You know what I'm saying? But you could have easily called. Let me see. Off the sale, you could have easily called. Get in right there at that. Boom. Took it to the bottom. Stop loss. Right there. That's easy 1 to 3. That's easy 1 to 3. Feel me? Just off of taking it off what the Fibonacci is telling us. Taking it off the 61.8 level or the 50% level. But just being more secure, just take it off the 61.8 level. You know what I'm saying? So, and it reversed right here, so it reversed again. So it just did it again. So that's an easy three slappers. And you can put whatever on it to make whatever you want. Alright guys, so here's basically a good example of Fibonacci. So we got our start where the trend started, where the buy started. So we got a big impulse out of this range right here. You know what I'm saying? This impulse took us out of this range, ranging for the whole day. And y'all see right here at about 8:20. So the New York market opens at 9:30. So about 8:20, we got a huge rejection. 8:30 rejection off this. What is that? Supply? No, that's demand. So we got a huge rejection off this demand. So then we bought up. Now we breaking out. We're looking for an entry now. We know it's gonna buy, right? So we put our Fibonacci at the bottom and then to the high to top wick. Not to this wick, but to this wick. Alright? Because we want that move. We want that astronomical move, right? So then what this is telling us, because right here, don't know what's going on right here yet. So this is telling us after this high that it has to retrace at least to the 50% or the 61.8%. That's what the Fibonacci is for, is to give us premium entries. So when it pulls back, we know we can get in. We know we're safe. Because right here, we could have easily put in a buy because it came into our premium position. Put stop loss either right here at the bottom, or you can put it right here. You know what I'm saying? And then go ahead and shoot for that first target. So first target would be boom, 1 or 2. But you could have easily shot for this one. You get that 1 to 1, but I'm always going for the 1 to 2. So 1 to 2, boom, get up out of there. All right, that's an easy trade. All right, but it really went all the way up to a 1 to 4 if you would have held. Let's go ahead and put our Fibonacci out here. So we're gonna put it from the bottom of this way, because that's where we got that impulse out of this direction. Big impulse. So that means Banks is in right now. So we're waiting for it to come back to this premium, right? So we'll put that up here, to the top of the wick. That's the highest. So now we want to see how far is it going to come back to give us an entry, right? Because we're not getting in unless it comes to this 61 or this 50%, right? So premium entry, boom. That's one entry, right? If you want to hold a little bit, wait a little bit longer, first entry could have been right here. Like anywhere between this 61.8 to 50, anywhere between these three, it's a premium entry, right? Right? So what we do is we wait for it to go past the 50, come and tap the 61, right? Just like it did right here. Boom. So now we're gonna go ahead and put our little buy in. So we'll go in right here as you find out of that. We'll put stop loss right here. Good, a little stop loss. Then first target, boom. First target, boom, slapped. 5 minutes. All it took was 2, 3, 4, 5. All it took was, hold on, how much is that? 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes. 25 actually. 25 minutes and you would have hit TP, right? For a 1 to 2. And it really skyrocketed. Oh my God. Baby, that's good money right there. That's good money. But as y'all can see, perfect example of Fibonacci little pullback. So right now we can see that every single time price came right here, rejected. Right? So before we even put a Fibonacci down, we know that price is rejecting right here at this demand zone, right? And then look when we scoot over. It came right back to the demand zone and bought off. This is before even using the Fibonacci. A little buy-in right here. Stop loss. Put it at the bottom of here, or just be safe and put it down here. If we're gonna shoot for a 1 to 2. 1 to 2, perfect. So that's all Fibs is. Fibs is just to help you know when the pullback is stopping, when to know when the pullback has done enough, or when to know when you should enter, or where is the premium entry. Like if there's no premium entry, you don't want to get into the market. There's a lot of times where we just get into the market and we don't even have a premium entry. Like we're not winning going in, we're losing. You know what I'm saying? And we don't want to go in and trade already losing, or the loser mindset. So that's how we use the Fibonacci. Fibonacci is good for beginners and up until, you know what I'm saying, you know how to do it on your own. But Fibonacci is just a good little tool to back test and learn to wait and use patience and wait for that entry to happen, because you get in too early, it'll blow your account just going to the entry. You know what I'm saying? So if this helped any of y'all learn anything about Fibonacci or anything like that, just make sure y'all leave a like and a comment, and I'll make sure I come out with more strategy videos, more tutorials, more everything about trading. Maybe come out with a video about how I trade and my strategy alone. But if y'all like the video, make sure y'all like and comment. It helps me get it out to more people, and we can keep growing the channel. So we back and road to 100K, whatever. Let's see it, yeah. That's it for you guys, man. I love y'all, man. Be safe, man. Y'all keep trading, man. Keep going up, man. We gonna get this trading thing in the bag, and we gonna do it. So, see up, guys, man. I love y'all, man. KSO.